Hey everyone, welcome back to this Python tutorial. In today's session, we are going to learn about input-output functions and comments in Python. This is very important topics because input and output make our programs interactive and comments make them easy to understand the code. First, we move on to the output with the in print. Let's begin with the most basic function, the print function. When we want to show some message or value to the user, we use print functions. For example, print hello world like that. Printing some. This will display the text hello world on the screen. Simple, right? Now we can also print multiple values together to watch this. The print hello. It prints a hello word. Let's move on the some more example. We can also print multiple values together to watch this. I'm taking name equals to hello. Then age equals to 23. Then I need to print name and age. This prints both the name and age together. Name, it print hello age 23. The name hello age 23. It prints name hello and age 23. Let's move on to the this prints both the name and age together. We can even customize how the values are separated using this separate parameter and what appears at the end using the end parameter. Print, print, Python is awesome. Then I need to separate in this with colon. I need to separate with using a colon and end with it prints Python hyphen is hyphen awesome end with these things. The Python is Python hyphen is hyphen awesome. They end with exclamatory mark. This is all about output function, output print function. Next, we move on to the input function. The input with using input function. Now let's move on to taking input from the user. For that, we use the input function. For example, name equals to input. Name equals to input. Enter your name. Enter your name. End with the double quotes and start with double quotes. It prints enter your name. I need to enter name, universe. It's showing another line. Then I need to print hello, comma, name because name is not defined. Name equals to universe. Now print hello name. Hello universe. It's showing a hello universe. Next, this program asks the user to enter their name and their greets them. But remember, input is always takes as a string. If you want numbers, we need to convert them using a int or float. I'm taking one example. Number equal to int input enter your enter your name. enter your name. Next, we need to print hello name. It's showing a error because of the name is not defined. The name equals to universe starts and end with double quote. Now it prints hello universe like that. I'm taking another example, but remember input is always taken as a string. If you want number, we need to convert them using a int or float. Num equals to int. Input, enter your number, and I need to print the square of numbers. So if the user enters 5, the program print the square of number 25. Invalid syntax for these because we don't close the enter your number. I enter 5, it's showing something. I need to print square of numbers. It's showing square of numbers is 25. This is all about input with input. We need to convert them using a int or float. Next, we move on to the commands in Python. Here in these, we using a single. Now let's talk about comments. Comments are special notes in our code that Python ignores during the execution. They are only meant for humans to make code easier to read and understand. We have two types of commands in Python, single line commands and multi-line commands. The single line commands start with the hash symbol. This is a single line command. I gave an example to show. This is a single line command. This is the single line commands. Next, we need two multi-line commands written inside the triple quotes. We need to covers with triple quotes like this. Something we need to print. Print multi-line commands are written inside the triple quotes. This is all about the input output function and commands in Python programming tutorial.